Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to unblock all website on School Chrome 2023. So first things first, open up a browser and then in your browser, go ahead and go to the settings, find your way to the settings of the browser. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and click on privacy and security section. And from here, we have three steps in order for this to work. First things first is go to cookies and other site data. And from here, you're going to need to allow all the cookies on the settings and make sure don't block any third-party cookies. And then once you're done, you can go back again to the privacy and security and go here, the clear browsing data, and make sure to check everything and clear your data. Also, if you want to go furthermore, you can go to advanced and click everything and delete the data. And the last step we're going to do is go to security and manage device certificates. Go ahead and click on it. And then from here, you're going to go on to an advanced. And in advanced, you're going to need to check the client authentication and then click OK. And there you go. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.